Start with the dryer against the wall. We mark the height of the quick and easy vent. Now pull your dryer out for access to the back. Now attach the dryer exhaust hose to the dryer outlet. Attach the other end to the quick and easy connector. Now attach the flexible hose to the through wall fitting and attach the other end to the quick and easy vent. The quick and easy vent can go in any direction based on your application. Connect the quick and easy connector to the quick and easy vent. To disconnect your dryer, simply twist and pull the hose and pull your dryer out. It's just that quick and easy. It's the quick and easy vent.